Okay, so first of all, I welcome each one of you to this workshop of computer science and robotics. Okay, now as you all know that why are we gathered here? You all only told me, right? That ma'am, we are gathered here for computer science and robotics. So, can anyone tell me what do you mean by the word coding? Anyone can tell me the meaning of coding? Raise your hands. Okay, coding का मतलब क्या होता है? If there is a machine or there is a robot, okay, what do we do to it? Okay, raise your hands. What do we do to it? You raise your hands, I will unmute you. Anyone? Okay, Shravani. Yeah, Sharvani, unmute yourself, beta.
Programming.
Very good. Absolutely right. What we do is programming, right? You give some instructions. Ridesh, would you like to answer? You can unmute yourself. Okay, Ridesh is not. Okay, fine. Anyone else would like to answer? Yes, Yashvi?
No, ma'am.
Okay, is she right? Is Shavni right? You can show me a thumbs up on the screen. Okay, yes, she's right. Okay, so you're giving some instructions. Okay, let us take a simple real life example. Okay, if I want, let me choose a person. Okay, now I'm going to choose a volunteer. Krishika, you have to tell me, you have to tell us the steps, okay? Unmute yourself, baby. Unmute yourself. Now, children, listen to me. What Krishika will be doing? Krishika will tell us the steps, okay, to the question, to the answer. Now, my question is that Krishika, if you have to go, listen to me carefully. If you have to go and open the door, what is the step? What are the steps that you will do? Like, what is the first step, then the second step, then the third step? Okay, tell me step-wise. What is the thing that you will be doing?
We walk.
Okay. First, tell me, what are you doing? Are you sitting or standing?
I am sitting.
Correct. So, what will be your first step?
Sitting.
So, sitting, you will go to the door.
No, walk.
Then?
Walking.
So, first you have to get up from your seat, right?
Yes, get up.
Correct. Then what is the
walk.
next step?
Then walk.
How you will walk? Where is your door? Towards your right side, towards your left side, your center, where it is?
In center.
In center. So you will stand up straight and you will go straight, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what, children, this is the steps to which you have to go to your respective solution. Okay, like as the child said that there is a door, she needs to open the door. So she will get up from the place, then she will go center. Suppose if I have to go somewhere behind, so I will get up from my place, I'll take a U-turn and then I will walk certain steps. So what are we doing is, we are giving some instructions to the computer. Achha, tell me, will robot work on its own? Will robot work on its own? Just nod your head and show me yes or no. If there is a machine, will the machine work on its own?
Yes.
No. What do? We have to give certain instructions, certain programming, certain coding, right?
Yes.
रोबोट भी अपने हिसाब से कभी नहीं चलेगा जब तक आप उसके अंदर कोडिंग नहीं करोगे, जब तक आप उसकी प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं करोगे. रोबोट शुड बी अवेयर कि okay, this is my right turn, this is my left turn, now I have to go and walk forward. So all these instructions we give to the computer. Okay, so that is what we are going to learn today about coding. Okay, and okay, so any parents are there in this session? Why we should teach coding to the students? Why we should make our students learn about coding? Anyone would tell me why I should teach you this, children? Why do you want me to teach you this? What is the reason for it? No, I want someone else now. Aditya, you're looking somewhere else, beta. Aditya, where are you looking? You're not looking here. Yes, come on, tell me. Why do you think I should teach y'all, or we should teach y'all coding? हम सिर्फ कंप्यूटर सिखा देंगे और चली जाएगी ना, आपको कोडिंग क्यों सीखना है? Come on, give me your answer, whatever that is Your wish. Dia, I can see some new hands raised. Yes, Dia.
Our knowledge.
Okay, good answer for your knowledge, so that you're aware about all these things. Okay, you want to brush up your knowledge. Good. Yes, Daksh. Daksh, what do you want to say? Why you want to learn this topic, baby? Why you want to learn coding? Very good. Very good, very good. So that you are aware about it and you can make your own games. You can make your own applications, correct? Very good. So that is what coding is all about. Parents, even you all know that now it's the need of the hour. Everywhere we are surrounded with gadgets, we're surrounded with technologies, okay, we're surrounded with smart appliances. So all this is related to what? It's related, somewhere related to machine learning. Okay, so because it's the need of the hour and we want our students to be aware about it. Whether they select this field or they select some other field, their skill sets are being brushed upon. Okay, so let us see what are the different reasons that we want our children to learn coding. Yes, as we just saw, I just gave them a simple problem and they told me that, ma'am, we need to get up or we need to move center to the door. Okay, so what is happening is we are inculcating them a sense of problem solving. Okay, so they are able to solve the problems in a much you can say sequential manner, like then, okay, no, this is only the first step. I directly can't jump to the 10th step, right? You have to go stepwise, right? So that is what it is, that you have to solve the problems but based on logical steps. Then, of course, you're thinking, okay, when you're thinking for a particular question, okay, इसको मुझे ऐसा करना है, हाँ, अभी मुझे यहाँ wire डालना है. What is happening is, you all are again thinking on that question. So which skills is being enhanced? Your thinking skills are being enhanced. And of course, as one child said, कि वो अपना खुद का गेम बनाना चाहता है, तो वो कब होगा? आपकी creativity होगी, right? When once you're aware about the topic, I will tell you, कि see children, this is the software, this is what you need to do, this is the different effects. Once we'll explain you, next time what will happen? You will only come and you will show, see teacher, you showed me this, but I made something very new. So what is that again? That is again the creativity that the students are going to show. So these are the reasons why we want our children to learn coding. Is this clear? Is this clear to you all? Show me thumbs up again on the screen, please. Okay, fine. So now, one interesting thing. Yo, go. Activity. Do you want to do an activity with me? Okay, come on, let's start with an activity. Now this activity also is an interactive activity. So again, I'll be questioning you all. Okay, so see that you all are again raising your hands to answer. Fine, let us start. Okay, now listen to me carefully. Again, my first question. Okay, we have to make a rectangle. Listen to my question. We have to make a rectangle. Okay, first, can somebody tell me anything about a rectangle? How many sides does it has, or how many things and all? Okay, who will tell me? Come on. Again, a new hand. Come on, I want some new hands, children. The same. Daksh, I have given a chance. Krishika, I have given. Okay, Kunal. I can see Kunal. Yes, Kunal. Unmute yourself, baby.
4 sides.
Very good. Okay, rectangle has 4 sides. Good. Nupur. Now Nupur. Something else. Okay, Nupur has lower her hand. Okay, Ayush Sharma. Yes, Ayush. Anything else about a rectangle? Come on.
I did. Good.
Okay. Yes, 4 sides. Anything else? What else?
4 sides.
What else? Okay, Lavishka, come on, quick.
Has 4 edges and 4 corners.
Okay, very good. Something else, something very important. What about all the sides? How they look? Yes, Vivan.
Four corners, four
Yes.
sides,
Yes.
and breadth.
Okay, so they have a breadth. Only breadth. If they have the breadth, so what is the other word? Ayush Kandalkar.
Length.
Yes, length and breadth. Are all the four sides equal of a rectangle? No. Davishka have given us. Krishika. No. All the four sides are not equal of a rectangle. Okay, now let us come to the question. Now, my question is, children who have got the chance, I request you all to please lower your hands. Just lower your hands, okay? Now, my next question is, I'm giving you a sheet of paper. Okay, listen to my question. You have a sheet of paper. Okay, just a sheet of paper. You have to draw a rectangle. You just have a sheet of paper. You have to draw a rectangle. What will be your first step? You have a sheet of a paper. Imagine this is the sheet of a paper. Imagine on the screen only you have a sheet of paper. What will be your first step? Someone else. Should I choose? If you all are not raising your hands, some different people. Yashvi. Yes, Yashvi.
Ma'am, the first step is we will take pen or pencil to draw.
Very good, children. For first step, you need pen or pencil to draw. Correct? Okay. Then what we will do? Okay, tell me one more thing. Chalo, one more question. You're going in a car, okay, with your dad. Any of your family members. Will the car start on its own, or what to start the car? Yes, Yug. Yes, very good. I can see your actions. Very good. So you're correct. They put a key, right? So we have to make it understand that yes, we need to start. Similarly, first we have to make the computer understand that yes, now I want to start my coding. So the first step is we have something called as events. अभी train, जो express trains होती है उनको green flag दिखाते हैं, then only the train goes, right? So similarly, for our coding to start, the first step is we want the green flag. What does it mean? It means that when I will click on the green flag, it will take my instructions and it will show me the output. Okay, second step, as Yashvi said, what we need a pen or a pencil. Come on, chalo, let us take a pen. We'll take a pen. Now, what will be the next step? She took a pen, we took a paper. Now, what will be the next step? Kian? Yes, Kian, you can answer. Come on. Kian, I've unmuted you, baby. You can answer. Unmute.
I will take a ruler.
Okay, you will take a ruler. Fine. So you will take a ruler. But with ruler, what you will do? Where will suppose, see, this is your sprite. Imagine this is the pen. You can see a cartoon character. Imagine this is your pen. Now what instruction you will give to it? Divit, I can see a new hand. Divit.
Make a line.
Divit, you can unmute yourself.
Make a line.
Yes, Kian.
Make a
Divit, you can say, repeat beta, whatever is your answer, you can say.
Make a line. We will think and draw.
You will think and draw. Okay. You will make a line. Okay, you are also right. So we want our pen to draw a line. So it means the pen will move little forward, correct? It has to move somewhere forward. So I will choose a block over here, which is called as move. What will happen here if I will do it? Let's see. Okay, let me take a big number, 100 steps. Okay, we'll choose 100 steps. Now look over here. We have a green color over here. Button. Okay, that is going to show the output. Okay, now my cat moved 100 steps. What will be my next step? Now my cat is in this direction. Now what will be the next step? Come on, quickly. My cat is going to move ahead. My cat is going to move ahead. Now, अभी तो एक ही लाइन हुई है. अब क्या करना है? Fast. Okay, I'm only going to choose now. Shane, Shanaya, Balsara. Yes, Shanaya.
Draw another line.
Okay, but which direction, beta? Same direction? मतलब same आगे ही बढ़ेगा? क्या करेगा? Think, see the. So what instructions should I do? Look over here. Look on the left hand side. There are so many options. What do you think? Move, turn. What should we do?
Turn.
Very good. You have to take a turn. Now, what kind of a turn it is? How many degrees will it take? It's a rectangle. It has vertices. Which degrees it is? Okay, fine. I'll do it. So here we will take a turn around 90 degrees. So here I will change it to 90 degrees. Now let's see. See, now we took a turn. Now after taking a turn, again I want it to move forward. So come on, let us put it now. But what we will do is, we are going to give it a pause. अगर हम एकदम फास्ट ड्राइंग करेंगे तो क्या हमें समझ में आएगा कि उसने पहला स्टेप क्या किया, दूसरा स्टेप क्या किया? So we have something over here called as wait. So I'm going to click on this control and put a wait. So with this, what will happen? It will wait for some time. Okay, now let's see. Chalo, again we'll move it forward. Okay. Now, somebody said that all sides are not equal. So somebody can tell me, if I took 100 steps, if my length is of 100 steps, what do you think my breadth should be of how many steps? Rectangle की सारी sides equal नहीं होती है. They have a length and they have a breadth. तो अगर length मैंने 100 steps लिया है, think. What do you think? How much should be the breadth? Should it be same 100 or it should be less than 100? Yes, Kavish. Kavish, I've unmuted you. Okay. Dia has written less than 100. Correct. You can take less than 100. There's some network issue, I guess. Okay, no issue. So I'll continue. So, yeah, 50. Okay. So let us take half. You can take 60 also. You can take 70 also. You can take 30 also. Okay, but now let me just take 50. So we'll put 50. Again, how many degrees? 90 degrees. Okay, let's see. Okay, now again let us see what's happening next. Again we'll do the same thing. What we will do again? Again the same thing. Move 100 steps and turn 90 degree. So here it will be 100 steps and here it will be turn how many degrees? 90 degrees. Okay. Similarly, last step also will do the same way. Again, wait for 1 second. Here again it will be 2 times 100. So 2 times I will take how many steps? What is the second number which we took? 150, right? So again here we'll put 50 steps and turn 90. Okay, now let's see our output. Okay, let us do erase all. Previously, whatever things that we have done, let it be erased. And now let's see. Come on. Are you ready to see the output? Okay. Did you see who's annotating? Children, you are not supposed to annotate, right? Okay, fine. So this is how we give instructions. We would have done up and down. Will you be able to see the way you are able to see in here? No, right? So it's very important that you give the instructions, but it has to be in a sequential manner. I can't give first move 100 steps, then move 50 steps. It's all wrong. So your instructions should be in a proper sequential manner. Okay, come on, now let us continue. So this is just give me a minute. Okay, so this is the activity, okay, which our children are going to be doing. So like this, we have many more activities which the children will be doing. Now the next, we will come to the next one, that is a 3D designing. Anybody is aware about the meaning of 3D? What do you mean by 3D? Anyone knows 3D images? The things, the shapes that you see in front of you are of 3D. Okay, the paper that you have, that is of 2D shape, but the actual things which are there in real life are called 3D shapes. Okay, you all have a coffee, you all have a cup of your own. You all have a coffee cup or a cup in which you all drink your tea or have your breakfast. Correct? So let us see a video which is an activity which you all will be doing in grade 4. Okay, so I'm going to play this video. So just look at the video and understand how you are going to make this coffee cup.
So this is the Thinkercad website that we are going to use.
Are you able to hear it? Show me a
The
thumbs
activity
up.
that we are going to do is a coffee mug. Now to make a coffee mug, to make the main part, if you can see, on the right there are some shapes that are given. So all these basic shapes, using these basic shapes, we are going to make a 3D object. So for making the coffee mug, the first thing I'll take is a cylinder. Okay. Now using these dots, I can change the dimensions of it. Say for example, if I click any one of the dots, here there is a number. I put 50 and here I put 50. Okay, so using this, the width and length changed. Now I want to change the height as well. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll click on it again and I click here and I change the height. So this height has been changed. So according to whatever our needs, we can change the height, right? So this is the outer layer, right? Now I want to make a hole, I want to make a hole in this. So what I'll do, I'll take one more cylinder, okay, which will be of a bit smaller size than what I have done for the previous one. So here I'll put 45, here I'll put 45, and the height, again, I'll put 70 was there. So here I'll put 60, more than it. Okay, so I'll put 75, right? Now I'll just put it here. Now if you see from the top, we don't know whether it's symmetric or no, right? So what I'll do, I'll just select them both, okay, and I click on alignment. So once I click on alignment, I get different dots here, and then I can select this one. So now it's in the center of the circle, right? So now once I do this, now to create the hole, what I'll do is I'll just make this a bit up so that the bottom part doesn't go. So now I'll select it and I'll join it, right? So now I get a hole here. Now to make the handle, so to make the handle, what I'll do is I'll take a torus, that is a ring. The dimensions of the ring I'll change. So I'll make this say 35, and here also I'll make it 35, right? So according to the need that we want, we can make it bigger. Okay, now this is on the X or Y axis. Now I have to make it standing. So using these arrows, I can actually make it standing. So I'll click on this arrow, make it 90 degrees, just pick it up and put it here, however we want. So say for example, if I put it like this, I'll change my front.
So you saw how they did a coffee cup? Okay, got it. So this is how we are going to work on this software. This is for grade 4 students, where you are going to work on this software and you are going to make different shapes. Okay, you are going to make 3D aeroplane, you will make 3D robots, you will make a keychain, you will make a spanner, and you will make a snowman. So with the help of all these shapes, you can make different designs, different shapes. Okay, so this is one example, children, that you all are going to be doing in grade 4. Now I'll quickly take you all to the topics that you all are going to be learning. Okay, parents can also have a look at it. So in lower grades, okay, we are going to teach you all first the basic of computers. Okay, of course, because first you all should know what you mean by computers, hardware, softwares. Okay, then in grade 1 itself, okay, it's in paint application. I think when we have heard about paint, okay, where you're going to make different designs. Okay, you already drawing. So that we have another application, advanced one, which is called as Tux Paint. And then yes, the coding thing, okay, which I showed, okay, of that platform we have for grade 1 Scratch Junior, and for grade 2 we have Scratch. Then in grade 3 they will be learning about Word, PowerPoint. Grade 4, as you saw, they will be learning about 3D designing, how to make different shapes. Grade 5 children will be learning about image editing. Okay, how to do image editing, how can you change the texture, how can you can change the gradient, how you can give different brush effects, smoky effects, all those things children will be learning in grade 5. So this is all about computer science. Okay, then we come to the part, the term 2. In term 2, children, you all will be learning robotics. Are you excited with the word robotics? Okay, it's going to be your machine. Okay, it's going to be about machines, about shapes, about how that thing works. So in robotics, what are we going to do? Okay, anybody can tell me what do you mean, why we should teach? Any parent can answer. A parent, why do you think we should teach robotics with the help of a kit? What will be the benefits of teaching robotics to students with the help of a kit? Any parent is there in the session who would like to answer me, or else I can continue? Okay, fine, I'll continue them. Okay, so as you all know, benefits of robotics will be with the help of a kit. It will of course give you all hands-on experience. Correct? हम कहते हैं ना parents के जब when you don't let the child dive in the swimming pool, he will not be able to learn to swim. Similarly, unless and until you don't give them the exposure to it, he will not be able to learn. What do you mean by robotics? Okay, so we are going to teach robotics to children with the help of kits, in which each and every child will be getting individual kits. So with this, what is happening is we are enhancing their creativity. Okay, the creativity is being enhanced, the curiosity is being enhanced. When they'll see the kit, they'll be so curious, they'll be so excited, they'll be like, Mama or teacher, I want to open this, I want to check this. Okay, so this will ultimately enhance their creativity. They want to show their creativity in it. They are getting hands-on experience. वो खुद देखेंगे, okay, हाँ, इसको मुझे इससे attach करना है, इसको इससे करना है. तो जो teacher बताएगी, same thing the children will also be doing. And yes, with this, what is happening is they're going to be learning it with fun. Then, of course, because they're thinking critically, okay, we are enhancing the critical thinking skills and collaborative learning. Now, what do you mean by collaborative learning? जब हम मिलके, एक दूसरे से बच्चे inputs लेते हैं कि okay, तुमने ऐसा करे, okay, मैं इससे ये ले सकता हूँ, इससे I can take this. And finally, what the children will be showing will be a collaborative learning. So there are so many different benefits with which our students are going to learn robotics. Okay, now again, a video I will be showing you all in which what our students are going to be learning. So children, again in robotics also there are many activities. Okay, so I've just selected one video of an activity which I'll be showing. This is for grade 2. Okay, children, show me a thumbs up. Do you all like magnets? You all know what magnets do? Yes, magnets, properties and all, you know, right? So there is going to be activities even on magnets, even on circuits, even on shapes. So I'll be playing one video of grade 2, which is going to be about magnets. Okay, so just look at it very carefully. What is over here? Okay, Okay, there is a foam sheet. Okay, there are pencil, and those round that you can see, that are ring magnets. Okay, so let's see what are we going to do with the help of this ring magnets, with this pencil and this acrylic and foam sheet. Okay, let us see. Pay attention. What they did, that was a transparent acrylic sheet. वो जो white दिख रहा है आपको कांच का, okay, that is a transparent acrylic sheet. First they removed, okay, they removed it, okay, and then in the thinner side they have put the acrylic sheet. Okay, let's see the next step. Now they are fixing the ring magnets. What he's doing, he's placing the pencil in such a way, you saw he was adjusting the rings so that it's able to levitate. So you have to place the pencil, wo pencil ki nib, he have placed the pencil nib to the acrylic sheet, and now you will see he will leave his hand, and when he leave his hand, you will see what is happening. The pencil is levitating, it's not touching the ground. Okay, just with the touch of the nib of the pencil. To adjust the rings. Oh, saw it? What's happening? The pencil is levitating. So this is one kind of activity about magnets that you're going to learn. This is the name of this activities are called magnetic levitation. Okay, where they're learning about repulsion properties. Now we have attraction and repulsion. So all this concept we are going to teach to the students. Children, please mute yourself, Aditya. Okay, so this is one video which the students are going to be learning in grade 2. Okay, other one which I've selected just to show you all is one is of grade 4. Okay, you all know circuits. Children, are you aware about circuits? आपने सुना होगा electricity, sources, circuits. So this is a video about series connection with multiple LEDs. Okay, LEDs को लेके जो हम lights देखते हैं ना, दिवाली में भी आप lights देखते हैं, तो वो connection होता है, छोटे-छोटे bulbs से जल, it lights, right? So based on that, there is a video. Okay, let's see it. Okay. Just a section. Okay. So I'll play the video again. Pay attention. Okay. So there is no sound. I will give you the sound in it. Okay. So listen to me. So what are the things that we have over here? We are using over here. We are going to have LEDs. Okay. We are going to have resistor. Now what resistor does? Okay, agar the power supply, if it is too high, if it's high voltage, it will reduce it. It will give only that much power which is needed for those LEDs. So it is to balance the powers. Okay. Then we have a breadboard in which you're going to do the connections. Okay, सारे LEDs को सबको आप वो breadboard में connect करेंगे. Then we have a battery. Of course, if your battery is not there, you will not be able to see the output. And the wires which are going to be connected with the LEDs. Okay, so now let's see it. Look here on the screen, children. Oh, so see, look here. It's showing the things. So those 5 colors, red, yellow, green, 2 green, white, that are your LEDs. On the left hand side that you can see those holes which are there, that is called your breadboard, in which you're going to connect your wires, you're going to connect the resistors. Okay, in the middle one that you can see of silver color, okay, that is your resistor. Those blue color ones which you can see, that is your connecting wire, which you're going to connect one LED to the other one. Okay, and of course the battery. If you want to see the output, you have to connect it through the battery. Okay, now let's see. So pay attention over here. See, they are taking the breadboard. Now what they're going to do is, they are going to put the LEDs first. Okay, the legs of the LED needs to be inserted in the holes of the breadboard. Okay, and what is this? This is series. Series means in a same line, one behind the other. Okay, this is a series connection. Okay, so now they're just putting all the LEDs. Now what they're putting? The resistor. As I told you what resistor does, it will control the flow of electricity. Okay. And now they're going to put the connecting wires, positive and negative. Okay, now they're going to put the connecting wires in it. And after putting the connecting wires, which is inserting in the hole, what is the next step they will be doing? See, this is the negative. From the positive one, you can see the above 2 lines are positive and negative. So one wire is connected from the positive one, okay, and the other wire is to the negative, so that you're able to establish the series connection. And now the battery. So the battery also is going to have 2 wires, a red and a black color. So one is going to be connected to the negative and one is going to be connected to the positive. Now let's see what you will be able to see on the screen. Come on, look here everyone. Tanvi, look on the screen, baby. Oh, you saw the light is glowing. Okay, the light is glowing. So this is an example of an activity. So like this, you are going to be doing multiple activities. So this is about series connection. You will be doing about parallel connection. Now what is a series and a parallel? In series, if any of the light doesn't work, none of the lights will glow. अगर आपकी एक भी light खराब हो जाती है ना आपकी वो series में, आपकी कोई भी light glow नहीं करेगी. But if in parallel, if one of the light also is not glowing, other lights will still be able to glow. So see, so many different concepts you are going to be learning in robotics. So I'll just quickly show you all the topics. So in lower grades, children, that is in grade 1, 2 onwards, you are going to first be learning about force, weight, magnets, as you all have seen about magnets. Okay, we will be introducing also electricity. In grade 2, again, the topic will be the same in a little advanced manner. Again, about work, energy, force. Similarly, in grade 3, you will be introduced to electric currents. You will be learning about circuits. How you saw the series connection. So in grade 3, you will be learning simple ones, like just how our LED glows. Okay, just how our LED glows, about magnets, about diodes, scribblebot, many activities you are going to be learning. Grade 4, तो अभी मैंने आपको example दिया. Okay, that is again about electric current, electric circuit. Similarly, you'll be learning about machines. You'll be learning about Arduino. Arduino is something which is like how you have CPU of the computer. Similarly, we have Arduino also, which is the microprocessor. Okay, and grade 4 and in grade 5, you'll be learning about a robotic car in which your robot will follow your hands. You all will be making a robotic car. You all will be making a 7-segment display. So many different activities. You will be making a buzzer. Now, what is 7-segment display? You all have traveled with train, children. In train, okay. there is an indicator which shows what is the next station. वो red color lights में display होता है. Okay, so based on that concept also, we have different activities which the students are going to be learning. Okay, so these are the activities, or these are the topics that the children are going to be learning in robotics. Okay, any doubt in this, children or parents, anyone? Okay, fine, then we come to the end of our session. Okay, I've explained you all about your computer science and your robotics. Any questions you all are having, children? You all can raise your hand. I'll unmute you all. Yes, Kian, your hand is raised. You want to say anything, Dia?
No.
Okay, fine. Anyone, any parents, anyone would like to ask anything?
When we
Yes.
will do
Uh, you will be doing in your next academic year, baby. Okay, from April, when I mean from April or June, whenever your academic year starts. So you all will be starting with computer science, and then in term 2, you all will be learning about robotics. Okay.